She said love you. I love you, bro. You got in.
Oh, she
Le-
said it's so funny too.
yeah.
She's like, ah.
Now we recruit people.
No, let's play American service.
What?
Let's play American service.
Mac?
American.
No.
Why?
They're dumb.
Why?
I I don't remember my
Why?
password shit.
It's just like Bang Boy.
Wait,
Mr.
I wanna
Bangy.
play actually. I'm not sleeping today, so yeah, let's do it.
You guys, are we ready to win?
Hello, Monko. How are you, bro?
I'm doing good, Bang Boy.
Why didn't you talk before?
Oh, I was just like, I was doing something I was helping my grandma get off of the couch because she broke her legs and I had to help her.
How the fuck do you come up with that story in 2 seconds?
Revealing area.
You are actually crazy. Oh, I get it.
I'm good at improv.
Damn.
I
I got one! Yo! Yo, you just saw him.
Take this! Gotta go!
Spike down A. One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
I have
Go,
I
bro,
have low
nice,
ping
nice.
now.
Let's go.
Cage triggered.
I have low ping so I can actually knife people.
Yeah. Bro's gonna.
Yo guys.
Hello?
Yeah, Raina, that's actually crazy because my
Hello?
dad died.
Wait, what?
Yeah, my dad died the other day.
I'm gonna be a puppet master.
Have you
alright?
guys
not
have
I'm
you
so
guys-
sorry for your loss.
have you lost a parent before?
I have not.
Can you be my new daddy?
Bro, what the fuck? Yo, nah, bro.
I'm kind of busy with life right now. I can't really
Okay.
take care of anybody.
Do you have time Mondays? I think I'm free on Monday.
No, not Mondays. Mondays don't work. Sorry.
Okay. The days
Or
I have
Tuesdays.
Conversation, I mean.
Okay, so the days I have open is Monday, Friday, and Sunday.
Yeah, I'm busy all those days.
Really?
Bro, I
Yep.
just
How about-
wanted to play a game. What is this conversation I'm hearing?
So
Stinky.
Like,
I can also play
low-key,
at
bro.
like
What is this? I'm gonna throw you under the bus. Haha.
that guy was funny though.
Yeah, that was funny, but it was weird. What the fuck?
I was asking.
They dodged
Be my
because
dad.
of you. I'm gonna be
Match
honest.
found.
They
Nah.
dodged. I believe that paralysis.
Have you guys ever like met a someone that died and then came back to life? Met a someone.
Instant dodge. Brother, what is happening? My brain is.
Oh
gone, bro.
god.
Bro, I think you should not even. Why are you in pre? Why am I in pre-game? I'm inside the game.
Okay.
Nah, I'm not actually, bro. What the fuck? Okay, I'll
Match
talk and
found.
then I'm gonna dodge. I am guaranteeing it. I guarantee.
You talk.
Yeah, they're not gonna.
If I talk, they'll talk.
Yeah, they're not gonna dodge this time. Hello.
Ding 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 ding.
Bro, that's racist though. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Get a life.
Oh. No, I'm sorry. That was like a misclick. I'm so sorry. I accidentally said that.
Okay. And then they're gonna dodge again.
I'm so sorry.
Oh fuck. They're gonna dodge
I like how you said nothing. You couldn't even tell your accent at all. I did that.
again. I was like, what?
It was not noticeable.
Yeah, they're gonna understand that you're fucking cute. I just said hello and it's like tingling.
Are they dodging?
Bro,
Are they dodging?
tingling from hello? Tingling. Oh sheesh. Anybody has a mic except Monka?
Oh.
We all do.
Thank you, bro. Yo, bro.
Sounds like you're doing a fake accent.
Fake accent.
I'm gonna say he's right.
Readouts, and you think
Well, you can kind of hear it phasing in and out. So
That's how I talk.
Yeah. Yeah, like just follow your American accent. Breathe. Go back to India. I mean America.
Why are you guys so weird? Like, this is my accent.
When I grow up, I will join the army in to save Pakistan and destroy India. Great.
Bro, what is that? Oh sheesh, I'm having fun.
Jet, can you please just like please?
Oh shit, did I click the fucking button?
Reloading sight. Take this.
got one on flank, guys.
Why is this guy? You kind of sound like a pilot. You need to like. Sounds like a.
Your pilot
Target
shit,
down.
the
Last player standing.
Refresh.
Spike down A.
C was wide open.
yeah.
Had my ult ready, and little Clove just ran into him over there today.
Yeah, well,
Should ask-
maybe no one's
ask-
grabbing bombs, so it's kind of hard.
You
Ask
had
him
it.
to apologize to you.
Yeah, because no one grabbed it.
We were both in spawn. I said bring it
Just
C.
for fun?
You didn't say anything.
Okay,
Bro,
I
why
did.
are they fucking fighting
Here we
over
go.
this play? Is this
Down you go. Reloading.
damn? Ayo, Baba is cooking.
Tell me my ball.
I said my boy.
Reloading.
Are you kidding me? I thought he was backing off. Why did
No
he just like
peeking.
do a little back and forth little thing?
Lost. Hello.
Chung,
What?
chung.
What?
What are you doing?
What is this timing?
Wait, do you know?
Terrible.
You know Mandarin, right? You know 100% of Mandarin. Right?
Spike planted.
Hello.
Now you a little bit. At most 1%.
Why you want?
No peeking.
You want
How did he get that?
You want button
I'm so
left,
tired. Americans are so much harder to get.
bro, nah.
Last player standing.
Placing sentry.
It's not wrong because I'm American.
Placing alarm bot.
One enemy remaining. Clutch.
You can do good.
Attackers win.
Yeah,
GG guys, I love you.
det förstår.
Americans.
Americans.
I hate all Americans.
Damn.
You're American.
Yeah,
I'm not
you
even
make
full
yourself.
American though.